How to replace the TV. What you will need: a powered screwdriver or an Allen key, a manual screwdriver. First, unplug the coaster from the power outlet. With the keys, open the top door of the coaster. Disconnect the power cable from the TV. Also disconnect the HDMI cable. Now, ask someone to help hold the TV in the front part of the coaster. With the powered screwdriver or Allen key, loosen the screws of the TV. Now, your assistant can remove the TV. Ask your assistant to position the new TV in place. While he holds the TV in position, place a screwdriver in one of the screw holes to serve as a guide for the others. While you hold the guide, tighten the first screw. Tighten the second screw, release the screwdriver and tighten the others. Now, reconnect the power cable and HDMI cable. Plug the coaster back into the power outlet. Close the door and the first part of the installation will be complete. Now, watch our other video on how to set up the TV.